Welcome back one more time. Making beef neck bones today. Not gonna do too much talking on this one. Y'all pay attention, look close, watch the ingredients. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll be sure to respond to those. But these are very delicious. They kind of put you in the mind of Jamaican oxtail stew. It tastes pretty much the same, just a lot cheaper than buying oxtails, but you get the same result. So y'all kick back, get your pen and pad, or if you're cooking along, go ahead and cook along. Let me know how it turned out. Of course, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and like this video. Lets me know that I'm doing a good job. Like I said, these are very, very delicious, very tender. See how I pull it off, just came right apart. Guarantee you, you're gonna love them. But like I always say, I appreciate y'all paying me some mind, checking in, watching my videos. It really means a lot. Until next time, take care.